Replacing a gateway. To replace a gateway, first start by powering down your current gateway. This is done by utilizing the reset button located at the bottom of the unit. Unplug the gateway from its power source. The LED indicator status will blink both green and red. At this point, press the reset button to start the shutdown process. The LED will cycle through a series of fast blinking green, red, and then to a solid red state. Once at the solid red state, press the reset button one last time. If performed correctly, the LED will be extinguished and the gateway will have successfully been shut down. This step must be completed prior to adding the new gateway to the system. Now the gateway has been shut down, log into the portal located at portal.r9technology.com. At the dashboard, navigate to the top right corner of the browser and select Configuration. If there is more than one location, ensure the appropriate location is highlighted. Identify the desired gateway to be replaced and select the three dots next to it. Enter in the required information located on the product label as shown and read the highlighted notice. Select the Replace button. The gateway is now replaced as seen by the on-screen confirmation. As the notice stated, after replacing the gateway, you must clear all the system nodes, gateway pairings by pressing the pair button for 5 seconds. Use any small tool to do so. To show the node is currently paired, apply a quick press to the pairing button. The LED should flash green. To clear the pairing of the node, depress the pairing button for 5 seconds. The LED should display a fast red-green flashing pattern after release. To confirm the node is now unpaired, quick press the pairing button and the LED should display a red flash. The node will now automatically pair to the new replacement gateway. This completes the gateway replacement procedure. For a more detailed description of the process, please view the online portal user guide, which can be located at www.r9technology.com.